You know that moment at the airport check-in when the agent eyes your bag like it's a crime scene? Yeah, welcome to modern air travel. Airlines act like packing a carry-on is a privilege, not a right. But here's the fun part. They have rules, and we have loopholes. In this video, we're breaking down 7 carry-on packing tricks airlines don't want you to know, straight from frequent flyers, flight attendants, and a few sneaky travelers who may or may not still be on a watch list. Stay till the end, because the last hack literally lets you pack twice as much without paying an extra cent. Let's start with the oldest hack in the book. Wearing your suitcase. Airlines count your bag's size, not the size of you. So if you wear a coat with deep pockets or a travel vest, you can sneak in chargers, snacks, and even small electronics. In fact, some jackets like SCOTAvest have over 20 hidden pockets, basically wearable storage units. One traveler once fit an entire MacBook, headphones, and toiletries in his jacket just to avoid paying Ryanair's €30 bag fee. Sure, you'll look like a walking wardrobe, but you'll be a free walking wardrobe. And once you've layered up like a packing ninja, it's time to master what's actually inside the bag. Everyone's heard roll your clothes, but few know why it works. Rolling reduces wrinkles and saves space, up to 30% more capacity, according to Travel Plus leisure tests. The trick is to roll similar fabrics together, like jeans with jeans, shirts with shirts, so they compress evenly. And if you're really tight on space, slide rolled clothes into packing cubes or even Ziploc bags and squeeze the air out. So, you'll finally open your bag and not have it explode like a laundry grenade. Speaking of explosions, let's make sure your liquids don't start one mid-flight. You know the rule. No liquids over 100 milliliters in carry-on. But here's the loophole. Gels, balms, and solid toiletries don't count. So instead of shampoo bottles, switch to solid bars. Shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, even toothpaste tablets. Brands like Lush and Ethique make them TSA-proof and eco-friendly. One frequent flyer even joked, "I'm not packing less, I'm just packing smarter and harder." That's the spirit, or rather, the solid spirit. Now that your toiletries are under control, let's talk about how to stop wasting half your space on dead air. Literally. Shoes, stuff them. Hats, fill them. Empty water bottle, roll your socks and push them inside. You'd be shocked how much space gets wasted in hollow items. A pair of sneakers can hold a week's worth of socks and underwear. Or, let's be real, the emergency snacks you'll need when the airline forgets to serve food again. Efficiency level. Grandma packing for a family of 6. But here's where the real fun begins. When airlines start measuring bags, you can still play geometry. You've seen those vacuum or compression bags that flatten clothes like pancakes. They're completely legal in carry-ons, and they can reduce your clothing volume by up to 50%. Just make sure you get the manual, squeeze air ones, not the ones that need a vacuum pump, unless you're traveling with Dyson sponsorship. When done right, one side of your carry-on can fit an entire week's wardrobe. Airlines will think your bag's empty until you unzip it and the contents expand like a magic trick. Of course, you can fit everything perfectly and still get caught at the gate, unless you use this next rule bender. Airlines say one carry-on and one personal item. They don't say how big the personal item has to be. Use a soft duffel or expandable tote that squeezes under the seat but can hold way more than a backpack. Some travelers use camera bags, laptop sleeves, or duty-free shopping bags to sneak in extra space, because no one questions a shopping bag. True story, one guy boarded with a bag full of clothes labeled duty-free chocolates. Genius. And finally, the ultimate hack, where you can double your packing capacity without breaking any rules at all. Here's the secret. pack an empty foldable backpack inside your main carry-on. When you board, take it out, fill it with small items, and store it under the seat as your personal item. Instant extra space. No arguments, no gate fees, no panic. Light travelers swear by this. It's like teleporting a second bag right past airline logic. So there you go. 7 carry-on tricks airlines would rather you didn't know. Because every time you pack smarter, an airline executive loses a bonus. Tell me in the comments which trick you've already tried, or share your own sneaky packing hack. We'll call it educational, not smuggling. And if you love clever travel shortcuts that save both money and sanity, go watch our next video. 6 airport security mistakes that waste time. Trust me, you'll need those tips right after you use these ones.